Hi there, I'm going to try a different technique using my squeegee, and I'm going to be using the heavy body Pebeo Acrylics, and I want to do this chunky and not squeegee too hard, so bear with me whilst I show you what I mean. I've taped a piece down here because I want the bottom to stay clean, so I'm going to start sort of about this height and squeegee down, and I want this bit to be clean. But I've taped a bit of paper here, so I might as well just squeegee the whole lot off the end and see what happens. In this instance, I've kept the background white. I know you can pre-paint the backgrounds, but let's start dotting. Let's get rid of that. I'm using a variety of colours and size of dots. I've got some of them in the big tubes and some of them are in these little tubes. That's okay. And my squeegee is going to need a couple of swipes because it's not the full width, so I'm going to have to do it in a couple of goes. But I only want a light touch, so that should be okay. I can see myself doing a pattern already. I don't want to do that. Let's a little more. Let's have some contrast in there. A few bright things. This one is the cadmium red hue. A few of those. And I'm also going to do one of the diner colours. So this is an iridescent blue violet. That's a beautiful colour. I don't know how many more I want to do in this. I don't have any blue, so I'm going to use another iridescent. This is green blue. I think that's probably enough. I know you can press and scrape it all the way down so it all melds, but I'm quite happy to scrape this and not have a full coverage. I know what I mean by that, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to very lightly drag, because this is a heavy body paint. And I'll put a bit more pressure on as I came down. So I've got this on here, I'm just going to wipe this off. I might do that top bit again. Let's do this one but with a little bit more pressure. And again putting a bit more pressure as I come down. And I think I'm going to have to just do that top little bit there again. It's too light-handed. Take this bit up and see what we think. I wish I'd cleaned the squeegee again before I put that one down, but actually I don't mind that at all. I see people. I see people there. I could add some water. No, I'm going to leave it clean on this one. I can always do another one in a different way. It's just a very quick but very colourful and very interesting way of working. Anyway, just a very short, quick demonstration.